Welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be replacing the old Detent Springs on my Acura Integra. Let me show you how they look like and where they're located. So these are the springs that we're going to be replacing today. We're only going to be using 2 of them. And if you look down here underneath the car, we have a total of 2 little bolts right here. So this is a manual transmission. We're gonna remove this one and this one. Inside is gonna have a spring like this and then a ball on the top. And we wanna remove the old spring and replace the new spring with this one that's a little bit more stiffer. This helps for like better shifting and like just better response. So let me see if I can try setting you up from that angle if I can. And then it's this one right here. It's a size 13, by the way, in case you're curious. I can't set you up, so I'll just show you. So and then let me show you. Actually, let me loosen both of them. These should be the 2 areas. I should have put electrical tape because I painted the transmission, but it's not going to scratch up the bolts and it doesn't really matter no more. I just wanted it to look pretty. So this is bolt 1. Let's see how it looks like. You know what would be funny? Once I loosen it, it just starts pouring like oil. I'm screwed. Okay. Oh, don't lose that ball. I wanted to escape. There we go. That's one of them. So let me put it down here. I'm gonna remove the other one too, and then I'll show you. So let's remove the other one. Should be right next to it. And it's the same thing. Just don't lose that ball, because that ball is very important. Okay. So let's remove the second one. Slowly. Oh, fuck. See what I mean? Ah! Okay. And by the way, this is from Hybrid Racing, in case you're curious and you want to switch out yours. That's what they look like. Okay, by the way, these are some of the parts that I will be installing as well today. I have a new battery tray because my other one was messed up. I just wanted to refresh the engine bay a little bit. So this is a part number in case you're curious and you want to get it. That's the thing that I was talking about earlier. And then this is for the hood latch. Mine got messed up, so I just wanted to replace it. That way it connects. And then this is the boot. This is a part number in case you're curious. It's the little boot that goes like down there where the shifter goes. And then I repainted my hood latches, so because they were rusty and now they're better. That way we could probably install the hood today, install all this. Then the next video would probably be the liquids, and then charge the battery, and then pray to God that it turns on. So back to the original video. I'm gonna replace the little detent springs. Okay, so this is the original detent spring, and this one, as you can see, it's not that stiff. You know, I'm not putting too much, I'm not using too much of my strength. And then this is the Hybrid Racing one, and this one's actually, I guess you can say, coated. It looks black. And this one is a lot tougher. So what you want to do with this spring is put this one like this, and then you put the ball on top, And I already cleaned these guys and inside of this little nut, I guess. So you want to repeat that process. Get another spring and then the ball on top just like that, and then you just want to put it on like that where we took it off, and that should make shifting a lot stiffer and more responsive according to hybrid racing. And we won't know until we start the car and figure that out. So let me put this one back. So there you go. Okay, try not to drop the ball, and then just tighten it. Oh, there's a washer. I did not know that. The manual one has 40K more. Try not to lose the washer. Apparently there's a washer on this. I did not see it until right now, until it fell. Okay, now you can fully tighten them. There's probably a torque spec in this bolt. I'm just gonna tighten it for now pretty tight, or tight enough, not too tight, just enough. Okay, I lied, this thing's a 12, not a 13. That's why it was taking forever to tighten. Yeah, one's done. That one's done. And it's not coming loose. It's stuck. Yep, that's good. Perfect. Okay, so this portion is gonna be a voiceover because I forgot when we were actually doing this, I didn't really talk because I wanted to record what was happening. So in this clip, as you can see, cutting off that piece that you have to remove at the bottom for the manual like shift lever to like be able to fit, because the automatic like shifter goes down there, and there's like a weird, like almost like a Twinkie shape, like I don't know, like a thingy that goes down there, because it like secures the automatic shifter, because it's like at the bottom of the car. So right here we have my dad removing it. So this is the piece I was talking about. It kind of looks like a Twinkie, and mine had some dookie in there, which was pretty weird. And that's the piece that you had to remove. And then that's what it looks like from underneath the car, as you can see right there, that we had to just saw it off. Most people, when they do manual swaps, they literally just make like cut that whole piece off. Like they make a hole like right there where the donut shape is. That's what it looks like from the interior. Not bad. And then I made a little custom like metal piece thingy to put inside. And then right here is us trying to drill out the holes for the shift lever. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.